Hey foodies, welcome back to Tadka. How is everything? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple and super easy recipe of sesameladdu. As you can see in the video, they are so moist and delicious. I will also share some tips and tricks to get these moist, soft and melt in mouth sesame laddus. I'm very excited to share this recipe. Just one laddu per day is enough to provide you essential healthy nutrients. So why we are delaying? Let's get started.
Tadka, my mercy Rebecca.
Let's start with the ingredients. We will need 1 cup of sesame seeds, 1 cup of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. First, turn on the flame, place a heavy bottom pan and add sesame seeds. Dry roast them until they splutter. That is when they start jumping and dancing. I'm just kidding. Do not roast for too long as they will taste bitter. Once you hear the spluttering sound, switch off the flame and transfer it immediately onto a wide plate to avoid burning. And wait until they completely cool down. Now let's take a grinder jar and transfer the roasted sesame seeds and grind them. Do not grind them for a long time as they start releasing oil. First, grind it for less than 1 minute, and as we can see, it is not finely powdered, it is little bit coarse. Now let's close the lid and grind it for one more time to get the smooth texture. Now transfer the powder into the bowl and add the other ingredients. Add 1 cup of jaggery. I have grated the jaggery before adding it. Mix the ingredients nicely. You can also substitute the jaggery with sugar or palm sugar. But I prefer jaggery in the sesame laddu as it really enhances the taste of the laddu. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is also known as elaichi powder. And now I am going to reveal the secret ingredient which I was talking about, that is dry ginger powder. Add 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and now mix all the ingredients together. Except little ghee, I am not going to use any fats for binding. So let's add the mixture back into the grinding jar and run for one more time till we get the buttery and greasy mixture. As you can see, it is still crumbly and powdery, so we will grind it for one more time. Now scrape the sides and check if it holds the shape. Now take a small portion of mixture in your hands and gently press and check. As you can see, it holds the shape. Now it's time to shape and roll the laddus. Transfer the mixture into the bowl, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee and mix it well. Now it's time to roll the laddus. Apply some clarified butter or ghee in your palms and take a scoop of mixture and start shaping the laddus as it is shown in the video. Gently press the mixture and then rotate, press and then rotate, press and then rotate. Repeat the process till you get the round shaped laddu. Same way, repeat the process till you shape all the laddus. For a variation, you can roll the sesame laddu in some roasted sesame seeds, which gives a completely different look. That's it. Our tasty melt in mouth sesame laddus are ready. Serve them hot or even allow them to cool down, and then you can store them in an airtight container for a couple of weeks. But make sure that you handle them with moist free hands. Now let me handle one and break it to show you the texture. See how beautiful, appetizing and crumbly it is. Moist from outside and crumbly inside. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please try this and serve it to your family and friends, and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And don't forget to share with us sweet memories while preparing these laddus with your dear ones. Like the video, click on the like button. Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. And feel free to share with your friends. Happy cooking!